Hello guys, if you're looking how to install WordPress manually on the cPanel or server, so in this video I will take you step by step how to do so. Okay, so first of all go to the wordpress.org/download. Here once you go over there you can just scroll down and here you can see the latest version to download WordPress 5.7. So guys, if you see at the left bottom, I've already downloaded it. Okay, after that you have to go to a cPanel. Okay, in my case I'm using A2 hosting, so this is a good hosting service provider. I will let you know about this later on. Okay, after that just click on the file manager. Once you click on the file manager, it will land it to here. Okay, so here what you can do is either you can upload the files on the root folder, okay, of your domain, or you can create a subdomain, or you can create a folder and upload over there. So in my case I have a subdomain. I'm clicking on that, and by clicking on it just need to upload. Okay, after you click on the upload, you have to select the file and simply upload it. Okay, in my case I have already done that, and you can see here WordPress 5.7. After that you just have to click here and click on the extract. Okay, most of the cPanels give the same look and feel, so you can easily follow the steps. Okay, once you extract it, you can have the folder over here. Okay, so here you can see the WordPress folder is there. Okay, so I will just rename it to WordPress demo. Once you do that, the second important step is you have to go to the MySQL databases. Okay, because we have to create a database which will going to communicate this WordPress. Okay, now I will just give a demo WP database name and I click create database. Okay, we just have to keep a note of this database name. Okay, what I will do is I will simply copy this here. Let's copy this here and let's go back. Our database has been created. Now for each database we have to create a user for that. Okay, so just scroll down and here you can create a user. So what I will do is I will keep the same name as the database name, and I will use this password generator to generate the password, a secure password. And guys, don't worry, I will going to delete this database, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so just click on here and I copy. Just click on create user. Once you click on create user, the user will create it. Okay, as we have already use the same ID and password, so that will help us to for the easy way to remember. Okay, now I will just go back here. After we create a database and user, we have to assign that user all the privileges for that particular database. So what we have to do is I just have to click here. I have to select the user from here, WP, and I have to select the database. And then I have to click add, so that this user will have all access to that particular database. What we have to do is we just have to click all privileges and click on make changes, so that a user can interact, this particular user can interact everything. So let's go back. Okay, after we go back, you can see here, you have to go to the home. Okay, after you simply have to click on phpMyAdmin. Okay, so soon as you click on phpMyAdmin, you will see our database would be there. Okay, so guys, you can see the database is there. So currently the database is blank. Okay, so not what I will do is I will go to the website now, and we will try to install it. Okay, so now what we can do is, like, we will go here and we will try to access like demos dot array technologies. Okay, and then here our WordPress demo. This is what we have created a folder, and here we have extracted all the files. Okay, so as soon as it hit the site, let's open this. So it will come to the WordPress setup. Okay, let's hold for a while. So you can see, so in my case I'm just using the English language. Okay, and then after that just click on continue. Okay, once we click on continue, we have to set up the database credentials that we have. You see here it's asking you to do that. So let's click on let's go. Okay, once we click on let's go, here what is our database name? We have already copied this database name, so just put the database name here. Our username is also same as database name. Okay, and this is our password. I'm just using this password, and let's keep this localhost, and this is default WP underscore prefix for all the WordPress. You can change it, but I will recommend not to change it. Okay, let's click on submit. Once you do that, it will just simply ask you, you see, all right, Sparky, everything has been done. Run the installations. Once we click on the run the installation, it will install the site. Okay, so now what I will use simple admin. Okay, I will use the password admin. I will use the title WordPress demo. That's it. And confirm weak password. Okay, email address. Discourage it. Install WordPress. That's it, guys. Everything is done. Once you click on login, it will just log in to WordPress. You can simply log in with admin that we have used, and that's it. You will log into the WordPress. Okay. So guys, if you have any questions, just let me know. And if you like this video, kindly subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.